Hey guys, we're going to talk about the Bauer hammer drill. There's your part number, anything you need to know about it, I guess, if that matters to you. Now these drills usually run about, I think it's $74 without a coupon, and up to, ooh, my hand was dirty, and up to $64.99, I think it is, with a coupon. Not an awful deal. I think the Ryobi's, they run about the same. And this is what I would compare it to, is a Ryobi. I won't compare it to Rigid. Or, I don't know why people compare these to Watts and stuff. I mean, they're not comparable to those. These are more like for your Craftsman, your Cobalts. I wouldn't even really compare them to Cobalts, because Cobalts are, you know, they're all brushless. But anywho, I would compare this more towards the Ryobi line. And it really aggravates me when I watch people compare these two DeWalt's and Milwaukee's. If you want to get a DeWalt or a Milwaukee, you're going to pay about double price. But here's the bits we're going to try out today. This is the Hercules masonry bits. As you can see, I've already used them. A little bit about the drill. Of course, you got your three selectors up here. Drill in, screw it, and hammer. And then you got a 21 position chuck. Could have been 20, but they felt like being a little bit better. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery. Of course, you can purchase the 3 amps. They run about $40. And then when you want to buy just an extra battery, they're $20. Sounds pretty good. It's got a metal chuck. One thing I do like about it. So one thing that irked me about all the Ryobi stuff is majority of them are plastic chucks, especially your cheaper ones. And if you want to get a more expensive Ryobi, then you're looking at over $100 for a kit. Let me throw a bit in it and we'll let her rip. Went straight for the 3/8. There's the bigger one out of the bunch. And let's see how quickly, I guess, he'll drill this hole. And let's clean her up. Not bad. I mean, that is cinder block, so it is not as hard. I was like, say, especially tile. Tile will be your hardest. Now, the biggest complaint I hear about this particular drill is the hammer action is not as long. It's very short. Yeah, that's what she said too. Well, anyways, I really do enjoy this drill. I used to have when they still made them, was a Bosch Tech hammer drill. And so far, I really, really enjoy this one. But thank you for your time, guys. That's in review. I do recommend this. By the way, I did buy this one, open box, $40. Came with the drill and the battery, but no charger. But hell, I had a bunch of chargers anyways, if you could tell. But thank you for your time, guys. Have a great day.